of Angeles City. It's a one-way system. It's like the main shopping street. Quite hairy at the moment because it's quite busy. Go on, guy. Go. Yeah. Whew. Glad to get out of that. Nice sweeping left now round. Come on, guys, you're all travelling very slow today. It's making it very hard to ride. Can I sneak in between these? Let's have a look. Go. Yeah. I'm going to see if I can turn right at the top here and show you the main market area, which is much more interesting than riding down the main road. Oops, sorry. Go on. Yeah, I'm going to try and turn right here if it's possible, and we'll be into the market street. Yeah, it won't be as busy as it can be because generally the morning is the time when most people come and do all their fresh food shopping. But so you've got a series of side streets here, all of which specialise in different things. So you'll have one street is fresh fruit, one will be meat, fish, shopping bags, leather goods. Up to the left is where we passed earlier, Jumbo Genera. So this is the street I often park my bike in if I'm coming shopping in Angeles City. It's just convenient, you know, you can just park it here and just walk the rest of the city then. Coming up on the left is hospital, the name of which I've forgotten at the moment, but I'm sure I'll remember when I'm driving past it. And there's a small furniture store on the left here, right by the hospital, which is where I purchased my sofa and my bed for my new home, where you can see the Eurotech sign. Yeah, so what's the name of the hospital? Let's see. I should know this. I think it's Holy Angel. Wait. No, it's okay. Angeles Medical Center, AMC. Yeah, we're just going past the furniture store where I bought my sofa and my bed. Most of these buildings are hospital related, so there's another medical center there on the left. There's a lot of sort of doctors' surgeries, dentists, diagnostic services. It's a street full of medical type institutions. And coming up on the right is where I got had an oil change done on my bike here. Yeah. Many bike shops along here. Oh, I'm beginning to feel old here. My back is aching. Been sitting in the same position for too long. Right, so we've basically done a complete circle. I'm going to turn left here and it will bring me back out on the main road out of Angeles, heading back to MacArthur. So that complete circle. This street is famous for lots of stalls. I think you can just rent out any of these stalls and market whatever services you want to do, whether it's drinks, food. Not usually very busy on a weekday like today, but on the weekends you often find many of them are full of people selling their particular products. Yeah, not much going on today there. Some roadworks up ahead here. We're just coming up for the main road up ahead here. Sunglasses are cutting into my head, so not very comfortable at the moment. I may well stop, take a break. Back on the 2-lane road that heads back to the bridge. And I could do with adjusting my glasses at the moment. They really are cutting into my head. I'm just going to pull over for 1 minute to make an adjustment. Just pull in here for a minute. Yeah, just stop here for a minute. Just over on the left is the Yamaha dealer, strangely enough. Oops, adjust my microphone. I've adjusted my glasses to make them any more comfortable, but let's go. We're up to the roundabout leading to the bridge. Got a traffic officer here dictating who can go around the roundabout, so we all have to wait our turn. Now on my turn, let's go. Easy traffic, albeit gonna get stuck here, I think. Gonna get past this freewheel electric bike, it's crawling along. Turning left up here, a bit further along. Giving way to traffic coming